So the first pots and pan set that we have is this one from Redchef. So I got the tan color version here. They do have multiple color options as well, but when I'm looking at detachable pots and pans, I'm mainly looking at the handle, okay? So the handle is one of the main aspects that I look at. So this is the actual detachable handle that it comes with. So you just squeeze it and then you lock it. It locks into place, and if you slide this down, that's how it unlocks. So as far as trying it out goes, if you squeeze it, it's pretty sturdy as far as making sure that it locks in to actually hold onto the pot or pan itself. The pots or pan itself, I'm not sure what it's made out of actually, but what I like about it is that it does feel sturdy, and you can switch between pots and pans. As far as if I'm cooking in this one here, I could actually go ahead and use this one here as well. It does include a cover, all right? Keep in mind that with this Redchef pots and pan set, there's like different combinations that you could actually have included with it. So this cover works on this top here. It works on this top here, but it doesn't work for this top here. But I'm sure with a different combination, you could actually have it so you get another cover for this part over here. So as you can see here, this is how it works. Now, one thing in particular I do want to test out is actually seeing if the pot and pan handle doesn't get hot, okay? So ideally it shouldn't get hot, but I know with some old style pots and pan sets, they do tend to get hot, even the handle itself. But even so, I mean, this is what it'll actually look like when you're actually using it. So if I do want to turn on my stove, letting it heat up, again, pretty useful as far as making sure it locks into place. And the handle itself isn't going to get hot from what it seems, just because it's a detachable handle, which is something that I like. But even in particular, it looks great. Can't wait to use it. I'll leave that one inside there. But let's go ahead and move on to the next detachable pots and pans set.